I'm Liam Hire. Alice is my oldest sister. We're going to restore this John Deere L tractor. Just like our grandpa restored the Gibson garden tractor. Today we're taking off the wheels. Oops. Okay. Let's got it. There. Good. Oh, look. I can see what it is. Go over here by the middle. Over here.
Not a lot, Alice. You gotta let it soak in. Spin it around. Right there.
Okay, hold the hubcap. Yeah. Also greasy.
Wiggle it back and forth until you get it off.
Easy. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Wait, hold on. Easy, easy. Easy. Lay down, lay down. Okay. Just one more. That's what I call strong boy. Full speed ahead. Ready? Ready. Okay, let's go. Push it, push it. Okay. Push it as hard as you can, Alice. Ready. That's good. Almost. Okay, that's good. Hold it, Alice. Hold it. Don't do it. Ready? Go. Come on, turn.
There you go. Almost. Okay, lay it down. Good job. Hey,